Hello everyone on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining the Stock Martin channel. I have another great video for you today, but please first subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. If you're new to the channel, please hit me a comment down below so I can give you a shout out at the end of my videos. And also give me that thumbs up button. It'll share this video with others. Well, today I'm going to be talking to you about CCIV and Lucid. And the stock, we've actually had a big company, a big investment banking company that has come out and evaluated Lucid, and to see if it likes the vehicle and if it looks like it wants to invest in the company. And so I have a very nice video to show you, and I think you're really going to like it. It has big stock predictions towards the end of this article, which I'll mention in the next few minutes. But let's get on to it and let's check this out. So the article that I wanted to talk to you about just came out today. It is a finance article, and it says it's titled "With Evercore SIS," and this is the investment bank firm, and it's taking a favorable view of Lucid Motors Churchill Capital shares are now on track to further price gains ahead of the crucial merger vote. And so we're going to talk about this article. And in this article, it mentions that Lucid Motors has received a major endorsement from Evercore. This is an investment banking advisory firm, and it provides an ongoing review of the CCIV merger and the Lucid Motors potential. And this is leading up to the vote that will be happening on July 22nd. And the merger of CCIV will be going to Lucid, ticker LCID, on July 23rd. This company, whenever they evaluated Lucid Motors, they were very impressed when they toured Lucid Motors' New York studio. And they did get a test drive in the Grand Touring Edition Air. That's the next one down from the Dream Edition. And the investment firm took a positive view of the Lucid Air's mounting reservations, which are now over 10,000. And it went on to say this. Let me zoom into this article a little bit so you can see. So the company said about Lucid Motor is, from the onset, we noticed how the low stance of the sedan, the smoothness of the car suspension, and they even drove it over cobblestone roads. The Air's iconic glass ceiling combined with its unique luxury experience. They enjoyed the highway portion of the test drive. They didn't get to actually drive it. They were riding in it, and they saw that it had substantial power, and they believe that it holds its own versus Tesla models. This is very big news because we're starting to have banks and other reviewers looking at Lucid Motors, and they actually wrote something very nice in here. So this company was very bullish on Lucid Motors, and looking at all of its momentum, its product, they actually are now saying that they believe that the shares are likely headed to go past $30 level of share price. And if you go back to my videos, I mentioned this exact same thing a few days ago. And this is very nice to see that other analysts are out there saying the same thing as me. They are predicting that the price should be around $31 to $33, which is a nice upside from now. I believe at the end of this day, we were trading around $26, and we'll look at the stock prices here in a little bit. But it definitely gives us that advantage and that potential moving forward. Now, as I mentioned in the past video, if you saw, according to history, when SPACs merge, special purpose acquisition companies such as CCIV merge with a company, which in this case will be Lucid Motors, right after the merger, sometimes we see a dip, and that's historically. It doesn't always happen. But it has happened historically the majority of the time. So one of my viewers was a little bit confused and asking me, well, I thought you said the price would always go up. Why would it take a dip? And it's just wanted to re-emphasize that this is normal. We could have a little bit of pullback, but nobody has a crystal ball. Will it have a dip? Will it have a pullback? Nobody really knows. It's just historically that SPACs do have a little bit of a dip, a little bit of pullback. I highly doubt that we'll see the below $25 mark again, but we'll definitely see leading up to the merger. As this article says, I believe we will hit that $30 mark. They're actually saying here about $33, $31 to $33. So it does have a very big potential. And I think it's very important still to say that we still need to wait for those production of the vehicles for really this company to take off. And so looking at the stocks today, we ended the day at $26.32. As you can see in the past month, we've had a low on June 1st at $21.50, and we did test about $27 at the beginning of June, and then we took a few dips here, but we're back up to the $27 mark on Monday, yesterday. And if we look at today, we have lost a little bit. Let's see, I think it was like maybe $1. Yeah, it looks like $1.08. But at the end of the day, as we started to see, it was trading pretty much sideways. It went from a high of $27.39 in the morning, and it went the lowest at $26.30, and we kind of tested that. This is very good news, actually, just because we're not really going down, and hopefully we have a new base, a new stable base of this stock above $25. I said if we can keep it above $25 this week, I'll be very happy. And it looks like our ceiling resistance was about $27, and now that was last week. We did break that, and it looks like we are going to be retesting it later this week. If we can break that $27 mark, I think the next one will be $30 mark. We definitely have to watch it and see, and hopefully we can break that $30 mark by July 22nd. So the merger is just, what, 3 weeks away. So very good news, very big news on that. And looking at the past week, we've had a healthy increase of 13.5% in the past week. In the past month, the stock has gone up 25%, which is a very healthy increase as well. And so I think CCIV Lucid Motors has a really good chance. Looking at its future stock predictions, we were running around $27 today, and still their analysts at Wallet Investor are giving it a 1-year forecast of $45, 5-year forecast of $125. And this is assuming that we do have the productions, we do have the deliveries. So there's still some uncertainty out there about this stock, but as we're getting nearer and hearing all this good news that other banks are investing, that other retailer investors are investing, and you'll start seeing a lot of big companies pouring money into Lucid as soon as they know that they have a good product and they can deliver on their promise to deliver these vehicles. So moving forward, I think Lucid Motors has a really good chance, and I think it will do quite well. Well, let me know down below what you thought about this video. As I mentioned, I think CCIV Lucid Motors is a good company. Once we start seeing these deliveries, we really should start seeing this stock moving up. Hopefully by the end of this year, I really think that we'll hit that $45 mark. Coming up to the merger, I believe we will be testing $30 if we can get past that new resistance. Right now our resistance is about $27 if you look in the past week. If we can overcome that $27 and try a new resistance at about $30, that will be very healthy. This week, if we always stay above $25, I think that is a really good sign. Today's little pullback of about 2.5%, about $1.08 is normal. I'm really not concerned about that, and it's just a part of trading stocks. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give me that thumbs up sign so this can be the like sign so this can be sent and shared with others. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, hit all. Also, get me a comment down below that you subscribed, and I'll put you as a special thanks at the end of my videos. And if you want to help out the channel, thank you so much. And thank you so much for helping out this channel. We're getting very close to increasing our subscriber amount and getting that 1,000 subscriber goal that I have by the end of next month. So actually, let's make it, if we can meet that deadline of when CCIV merger would be, that would be fantastic. So I really appreciate all your support, and can't wait to talk to you in the next one. Have a great day. Until next time. If you would like to help out the channel, down below I created 2 links. One will take you to Webull. If you deposit $100 into Webull, it'll give you 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. The other one will be to Coinbase. If you deposit $100, it'll give you $10 in cryptocurrency for trading. Thank you so much for all your support.